Okay. To remove the dash, I'm just gonna bring the wheel down, turn the key so I can bring this down, and then hopefully I can take the key out. I can't, so then I'll close the door so it stops ringing. Okay, first thing, there are 2 screws right here. I already took them out. One is missing, so I took the other one out with this. Just take it out. Okay, I'm gonna put them here. Then the next thing is to pull it from the bottom. Pull it out. It has some clips, so carefully pulling it out. Pull it out. It's all on clips. So once you have it out, you pull it from the top. Same way when you install it from the top and then the bottom. So you pull it from the top and you bring it out. There's one plug here, which is for the, can you see the plug? You see this little tab here? You just press it and pull it out. That releases the airbag. You know what? I'm not gonna take anything out because I can pull it out from here. I'm not gonna take the whole thing out. So I'm just gonna hang it out there. Probably be able to, okay, you need to pull the watch out because there are 2 screws behind it, so you just pull it out. The clock. It has, oh wait, there's 2 up here first. Let's take these out. And because I don't have, I'm gonna have to use this, I don't have the ratchet. So once it's loose, come out with a hand. All screws are the same, so you don't have to worry about interchanging them, mixing them together. They're all the same screw. So you pull this, pop this out, and you just press right there, the screwdriver, and pull it right out. So it's out of the way. Now you have these, one screw, another screw here, and this screw right here, because it's missing one on the other side, so take those screws out. Let me loosen these.
This instructional video brought to you by Louis Tube.
It's easier if you take the whole thing off, but I don't want to do it. Another thing, if you move the seat forward, it makes it easier because it slides.
Mira que se está yendo para atrás.
Ah, porque lo tengo en neutro. And you end up on the street if you don't emergency brake.
Un momento, si no yo iba a tener el pie afuera, no me doy cuenta.
Tampoco.
Voy a parar en la calle.
You know what? I'm gonna take this off. It's not that hard. It has 3 plugs over here. It's the same thing, unless I can bring it up. No.
Sácalo.
After you're gonna see it from over here. They have tabs. There's this one tab here. Press it. Pull that plug out. Same with the others, they have tabs. That's 2. There's 4. There's a blue one here. Let's see if those. Oh, there's another one here. Okay, that's the one that wasn't letting me. This one in here. Do you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Spread that out. Now it can work. I don't have to take them all out, but see, there are two more here. Stop. Go for it. Why I keep making that noise? Okay, now it's easier without the dash in the way. If you have the screwdriver for this or the ratchet, it's easier, but I don't have one.
¿Quién va a ver este video?
No sé, que lo monte. Juan o... Johnny, deja esa... Chico, qué jodienda. Es bien chistoso. I mean, you know. Apesta con cojones. Yo no voy a estar ahí metido con esa peste de pedo.
Ya se fue. Ya se fue, Luis.
Another one here.
¿Por qué carajo eso sigue the driving eso? Yo creo que es porque está desconectado todo eso.
Sí. There's another one here, but doesn't have the nut or whatever, the thing on the back. You just pull it out, and it has 3 plugs in the back. Which it's easier. Let me do this. I'm gonna take this one out so it's easier to reach the plugs. With this out, it'll lower the radio, and it's easier to see the plugs. This only has 2 screws, so you just put one at the top over there and one at the bottom over here, because it was missing screws. Pull this out, now you have better reach. See? So when you install it, pull this out so you have a better reach to the plugs. Okay, it has an antenna. No se ve ahí. Métela ahí. It's those 2 plugs. It has that one and an antenna. Okay, there you go. Now it's easier. I didn't pull it all the way out. I don't think it allows you to pull it all the way out. See. So here are the tabs. Press that tab. Well, you're gonna install it. You're not gonna pull it out. So all you have to do is push and they're all different. So.
Sí.
Yeah.
Bueno.
Sí, este no es igual que este. Por esto.
Sí, pero
ese tampoco.
si lo miras
No,
Okay.
no.
All right. Good.
Este es más pequeño que
Está
este.
bien.
Son diferentes. They're all different. But whoever's going to do is just going to install. So it's just make sure they're all in all the way. And the antenna. You got to make sure the antenna's in also. So it's only those plugs. 1, 2, 4, and the antenna. Make sure they're pressed all the way in. Stick the radio in. Then put this one in and tighten it up. I'm just going to put this in there. But just remember to take this out, because if not, you won't have the leverage to install to reach the radio. Just one at the top and one at the bottom. You can hand tighten it. Leave that there. I'm not gonna install this so you don't have to take them out. Because this is the airbag warning light for the passenger. This is,
No, pero debiera.
this I will. No, eso no hace nada, no dice nada.
But you don't know if that completes the circuit y después el airbag no sale. Yo lo conectaría. Why not? It doesn't cost you anything.
Okay, so let's plug these in over here. ¿Estás cogiendo?
Sí.
Dame. Que quería que se viera bien, Johnny. De allá no se ve. Okay. Now this plug is in here. This other one goes in here. And then you have those blue and black, just in case you want to pull them out. And then you have this one. That's for the airbag that I'll get it when I get closer. And then this one, it goes right here. It's only going to be one place. I have to do this, get this out of the way. So plug this one. Plug this one in. Tienes la cámara al revés, Johnny. Así, you reach. Tienes la cámara en esta esquina.
Pues he estado haciendo esto todo el tiempo.
Pero-
Y te estoy cogiendo,
Okay.
te veo el plug. I mean, if you want me to do it,
Okay.
then let me do it. Otherwise, do it yourself.
No lo haga entonces.
¿Ah?
No lo haga si no lo quieres hacer.
No es que no lo quiera hacer, pero tú me pides que haga algo, lo
Está
estoy
bien, pero
haciendo.
te estoy diciendo la cámara está en la de allá. It's easier, it reaches more si la cámara la pones en esta esquina en vez de esta. That's what I was saying.
Well, this is the way I started it. So you want it to be one way or you want it to be upside down?
However you want to do it.
Well, it's not. You know, Luis?
Es que te estoy diciendo algo y
I'm looking at the fucking camera and I can see the plug, which is what you want in view.
okay. It's all press in y ya.
Y los tornillos de allá arriba. Y algo que tú hiciste allá de la luz.
No, lo conecté.
Ah, okay. And then the two screws underneath.
The screws, pero I'm not gonna put them in. I'll just leave them in a little bag.
Yo cortaría un cantito de cartón y lo metes
¿Para
ahí
qué?
para que no metan ahí. La mamita es capaz de meter algo ahí, una mata o algo. Ah, mire y esto.
That I didn't install it, but see it right here. Una cosa menos que tienen que quitar.